So guys, first you want to head over into this screen. You're probably already on this screen, but if you're not on this screen, then you want to turn off your computer 3 times and then turn it back on. So once you turn on your computer, as soon as Windows tries to load in, you want to turn off your computer and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times, which will then take you into this screen. You can turn off your computer using the power button on your case, on your desktop, or you can use the power button on your laptop. Just turn it off 3 times, turn it back on. Now once you're on this screen, you want to click on See Advanced Repair Options, and then you want to click on Troubleshoot, and then click on Advanced Options. Now once you're on here, we have a bunch of options, such as System Restore. If you do have a restore point, I recommend just going to this option, and then just going back to your restore point, and then this should fix your problem. You could also try to uninstall your recent updates, and then see if this works for you. And you could also try to go to command prompt, and then running an sfc /scan now scan. But for this tutorial, we're just going to be using Startup Repair. This will most likely fix your problem, so now it's just going to diagnose your PC. So now once that's been done, it should come back to you. For me, it says that Startup Repair could not repair your PC, but that's because there's nothing wrong with it. But in your case, there might be something wrong with it, and it should be able to repair it for you. Now once you're back on this screen, you want to click on Advanced Options again, and then click on Exit and continue to Windows 11. And now your problem should be fixed.